Hey everyone, and welcome back to Toasty Business. Making some extra side hustle cash doesn't actually have to be that complicated. It just takes some work. However, there are several clear paths forward. At the end of the day, it all boils down to what your goals are and just how much you're looking to automate your income. Could you make an extra $200 a month? Sure. How about an extra $1,000 a month? How would that change your life? Today, we're going to be talking about the top 20 best ways to make money from home. Make sure you stay until number 1, as you don't want to miss a great job that just about anyone can do. Number 20, sell clothes online. Online shops pop up all the time. You can buy just about anything online. Clothes are a great item to sell because they're always in demand. You can use sites such as Etsy, eBay, Depop, and even Amazon to sell your clothes. You can thrift shop for cheap clothes and sell the clothes for more to make a large profit. Many people have started this kind of side hustle, and some can even earn a full living just by doing this. Whether it is new or second-hand clothes, they're bound to sell. Number 19, proofreading. Do you like reading? You can turn it into a job. Proofreading requires you to read drafts and figure out if there's any typos or grammatical errors in them. This is a great job because there is almost always someone looking for a proofreader, and you have flexible time schedules. You can set a price, which you can then raise once you start getting more customers. It's a really simple job, and the money is absolutely worth it. Number 18, become an online personal trainer. On the web, you can teach just about anything. If you're into fitness, this is an online job list for you. You can become a personal trainer from the comfort of your living room. Many people are looking for personal trainers, and with this method, you can get customers from all around the globe. Just find a way to advertise your service and start getting customers. This is a great gig because of the flexibility with the schedule and prices. It's all up to you. Get working. Number 17, become a dog walker. Dog walking doesn't sound like a job that you would do from home. The truth is, it isn't. But you can advertise a dog walking service from home. There are plenty of websites out there such as Rover where you can find local clients. You can utilize the internet to gather customers and set your schedules. This is a great starter since you won't have to fully commit to the work-at-home lifestyle until things really start taking off. It also can be highly lucrative. Number 16, design and sell crafts. Crafts seem to be highly popular. They're always in demand, so why not try selling some? Find your niche and start getting artsy. Websites like Etsy are great for selling crafts. In addition, you can use websites like Redbubble if you would like to sell just a design and have everything else taken care of. The possibilities are nearly endless with this kind of work, so try it out and see what's right for you. Number 15, start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is where you take the inventory of a certain company and have them ship it to a third-party retailer. This has turned into a modern-day career for many. It's simple to do once you get the hang of it and can pay you quite a handsome amount. This can take a while to turn a profit, but it is definitely worth it. Dropshipping does require a bit of your time, so keep that in mind when you want to start this kind of work. Number 14, become a virtual bookkeeper. According to Forbes, bookkeeping is one of the most profitable businesses out there. Bookkeepers can earn anywhere from $69 to $82 an hour on average. Why wouldn't you want to turn this into an online business? To be a virtual bookkeeper, you need an understanding on data entry and financial records. But other than that, people will rarely ask for any qualifications. So if you find the right clients, just about anyone can hold this job. Number 13, start a blog. Blogs are everywhere. Did you know they can make money? Yep. They are easy to set up too, so consider running your own blog. You can use websites like WordPress to start out with, then find alternative programs such as the one for Amazon and advertise their products on your blog site. Every purchase via your blog post means a commission to you. This isn't quick cash or highly lucrative, but it is good if you need some extra change now and again. Number 12, become a transcriptionist. Transcriptionist jobs are everywhere on the internet. You can advertise a freelance transcription gig on a site like Fiverr. To be a transcriptionist, you need a sharp ear and some concentration. Listen to the recording and write them down according to standard templates. After you get the hang of the mechanics and grammar, it becomes a simple job. And you can do it from home. Check out websites like Transcribe Me for great flexible work. Number 11, become a photographer. Photography is a great hobby to have, but it can also be an amazing career. You can advertise your photography services from home. You can use ads or posts to Facebook groups. Many people want photos taken during weddings, graduations, and birthdays, so keep that in mind when setting a schedule. One day of work can get you hundreds of dollars, so set a few days a month aside for gigs and you can start earning a decent living. Number 10, become a freelance writer. Do you like to write? Did you know that being a writer is a great freelance career? There are endless types of writing for you to do, from transcriptions to technical to ebook writer. The possibilities extend as far as your skills and imagination. There are jobs that can pay you quite a lot, so it's a good career to look into. You can create gigs that offer to write a story for someone, or write your own content and sell it. Either way, you'll be earning. Number 9. Become an Airbnb host. Airbnb is getting so popular that some hotels have been losing customers because of the competition. If you have a second house or a spare room, try renting it out for Airbnb. You can earn your thousands of dollars a month if you have some great photos and nice amenities advertised on your page. You can start out small, then invest in a second house to start earning big. This is a great online job that many people have been considering. Number 8. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants hold many tasks, from answering phone calls to helping with travel plans. These tasks are usually simple and don't require any prerequisites. These jobs are very popular with the work-at-home crowd. Number 7. Flipping for a profit. Flipping is where you buy low and sell high. You can do this with just about anything, and with the internet, you can do it online. You can flip furniture, clothes, even bargain items from your local Walmart. Find something cheap and make it look nice. Sell it for a good profit and advertise it on sites like eBay and Amazon. The flexibility included is that you can choose your profit margin because you will be setting your own price. The creativity to sell just about anything is a plus for many people, but what everyone truly loves is the money that they earn from flipping. Number 6. Social media manager. Companies and influencers are always on the lookout for someone that can help them manage their online presence. You can get paid a lot of money for this work-at-home job. You just need to understand how social media works and how to advertise either products or people. It's a simple enough job, but it does take up a lot of your time. You'll be posting updates, posting stories, and possibly replying to direct messages. The work is definitely worth the pay though. Number 5. Become a virtual travel agent. A virtual travel agent is just how it sounds. A travel agent that works remotely. You'll be answering inquiries and helping with the booking of flights and planning of trips. This can be a simple task, but it does take up some of your time. It also pays well, like many other virtual jobs. Consider this if you love working in the travel industry but want to do all of that work from the comfort of your living room couch. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection and a working headset and get to work. Number 4. Become a graphic designer. Graphic design is a great career for freelancing. You can be your own boss and start selling your services online. People are always on the lookout for logo designers, business card designers, flyer designers, and more. You can advertise your service on sites like Fiverr. Have a portfolio ready because customers will want to see what your style is and if it fits their needs. Expand your knowledge with your applications and become more reputable to gain new clients and boost your sales. Number 3. Become a virtual receptionist. Receptionists can also work from home. A virtual receptionist is similar to a virtual assistant. You'll be answering phone calls, handling client inquiries, and providing customer service, amongst other receptionist tasks. You'll be working close to customers, so you need great people skills. But all this can be done from your computer at home, and it pays great. Number 2. Teach English online. Teaching English online is very popular amongst people looking for online jobs. It's so easy to find websites like Academy that are always hiring. The qualifications are that you just need a basic understanding of the English language and a stable internet connection. You can choose to do this part-time or full-time, and the earnings are huge. Teaching English can actually help you to earn an extra income, or can even be how you make your living. Number 1. Start an Amazon FBA business. Amazon's FBA means Fulfilled by Amazon. This means that you sell something and give your entire inventory to the Amazon warehouse for them to take care of. It is basically an online shop where you don't have to do any packaging or shipping. It's a great way to earn big, and if you find the right niche, you can make a living out of it. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.